I got this Cockatoo crazy toy for my birds, and I really, come on Vicky, I really want to see her reaction. Come on Vicky, stop playing with the phone. So I just have this toy for the last couple of days hanging on a shelf. So the bird was actually looking, but haven't seen them talking yet. So I just gonna see her reaction to that creepy toy. Hey Vicky, do you like the toy?
Want to hear a joke? Why did this spider go onto his laptop? To visit his website.
You wanna go for the toy?
Okay,
Go for the toy.
huh?
Don't you wanna go for the toy? She was my phone. Better, I guess. Huh? Look! Look at Vicky!
Wow, that's amazing.
Vicky! Come on, girl. Go close. She totally has nothing to do with the toy. She's totally not interested.
Joke time. What do mummies like to listen to? Rap music.
Come on, wait. Let's see Sunshine doing the toy. Yeah, Sunshine. What are you gonna do it? Gonna make talk.
Good morning.
What the heck, Sunshine?
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
She is like, I am gonna get this thing down. I know she will. Oh, Sunshine. Oh. Look. Look at what he's doing, Sunshine. Did you like that toy?
What's up?
Huh? Did you like that toy?
Hey, want to hear a joke? Why did this spider go onto his laptop?
She's not afraid.
His website. Rough crowd, huh?
What are you doing in that toy, Sunshine? What are you doing to that toy? Don't come to my iPad. No. She was looking for my iPad. No. Go check it out. Okay. Oi! 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 It's not moving. Sunshine actually got a toy one time that I didn't know the toy is pink, and she was pushing buttons and beating up the toy. Come on here. And that toy started talking in the middle of the night. That was really freaking out.
Hello. Anybody
I
home?
was like, hello, hello.
I love you.
Ah, Sunshine, I love you too, Sunshine. Yeah, she's doing business. Okay, what else you do? What else you do? Hello. Sunshine is like, I'm gonna bite
Joke
this
time.
thing.
Here's a good one.
Go
What
get it.
part of a turkey is musical?
Go get it.
The drumstick.
Go, Sunshine.
That's
Get it.
hilarious.
She's just like, I am gonna get it.
Was that for real?
Okay. Nothing. You're a chicken.
Wanna hear a joke?
You're a
What type of
chicken.
music are balloons afraid of?
You're a chicken.
Pop music.
You're afraid.
LOL.
She is definitely more interesting than Vicky.
Aye, aye, Captain.
No?
Wow.
Okay.
That's amazing.
I guess I'm gonna return this toy. It's not much interesting. Wow, I'm not gonna even try Aiko because Aiko is the scary one. What? What, Shashai?
I'm back. Did you miss me?
Okay, Mama.
Was that for real? Squawk.
Look at Vicky. Vicky's like, what the heck? Vicky's like, I don't want to make part of
What's
that.
that?
No, I'm good. Is that right, Vicky? Vicky's like, I'm good.
Joke time. What do mummies like to listen to? Rap music.
Okay. You're a little scared.
Squawk. Wow. Tell me more.
No, Sunshine, nothing. Sunshine's like, no, I'm done. I don't want that toy. Okay, I'm gonna return it.